Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful Crochet Ladies Winter Cap designs model knitted with wool. Let's start the video. Crochet Ladies Winter Cap designs come in a variety of styles, combining warmth and elegance. Crochet a winter cap involves selecting the right materials, techniques, and design to ensure warmth and style. Here are some tips to guide you. First, choose the right yarn. Use warm and soft yarns like wool, acrylic, or wool acrylic blends for insulation and durability. Opt for chunky or bulky yarns for quicker process and extra warmth. Choose yarn colors that match your wardrobe or seasonal vibes, like neutral, pastel, or deep winter tones. Select the right hook size. Match the crochet hook size to the yarn width. For winter hats, hooks between 5.5 mm to 8 mm are common. A larger hook creates looser, softer stitches, while a smaller hook makes denser, warmer fabric. Measure for a perfect fit. Measure the circumference of the head and adjust the starting chain or foundation circle accordingly. A typical adult cap size is 21 to 23 inches in circumference. Start with a strong foundation. Use a magic ring for the crown to avoid gaps at the top of the hat. If starting with chains, ensure the foundation is not too tight to maintain stress. Incorporate warm and stylish stitches, fence stitches, single crochet, half double crochet, or front or back post double crochet for warmth. Textured stitches, puff stitch, cable stitch, or basket weave for added style. For slossy hats, consider looser stitches like double crochet or a combination of stitches. Add decorative elements. Attach the pom-pom or tassel for a fun touch. Crochet the sleeve on embellishments like flowers, bows, or buttons for personalization. Add shipping at the base using FPDC and BPDC for a snug and professional finish. Test for fit. Try the cap on as you crochet, especially when working on the brim or crown, to ensure a good fit. Finish and block. Weave in all loose ends securely. If needed, lightly block the hat to shape it. Avoid wet blocking for all hats, as it may stretch too much. Experiment with patterns. Choose simple patterns if you are a beginner, like basic beanies. For advanced crafters, experiment with cables, color work, or like motifs. Focus on the crown shape. Flat circle a stud. When working in the round, ensure the crown and creases are even to avoid puckering. Use the formula round number into stitches per round equal to total stitches. Typical increases rounds. Start with 6 or 12 stitches in a magic ring and increases until the diameter matches and desired head size. Use stitch markers. Place stitch markers at the beginning of each round to keep track of your progress, especially when working in continuous rounds. Adjust for different styles. For slossy heads, increases the number of rounds in the crown and add length before finishing the brim. For a fitted belly, reduce the length slightly before adding the brim. Mix yarn colors, try color blocking, stripes or gradients for a unique look. Use silk, striping or ombre yarns for an easy yet stunning multicolor effect. Add lining for extra warmth. Sew fleecy or soft fabric lining inside the cap for added insulation. Ensure the lining matches the cap's trace and shape. Play with texture. Combine stitches to create interesting pictures, like alternate rows of puff and double crochet. Use bubble or pom-pom stitches for a raised, cozy effect. Try advanced techniques, tapestry crochet. Incorporate intricate designs or patterns using multiple yarn colors. Cabling. Add a knitted style cable design using post stitches. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!